Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. As you can see, I'm trying really hard to get back at it, to get back into the groove and actually save some money because Christmas is coming and we're all going to need it. So guys, I'm sure you saw my last video. I'm going to try and be more consistent with this. So that's why I'm really making a focused effort to constantly upload, constantly do a bit, even if my budgets are really small, because at the minute I'm going through a bit of a financial issue. It's nothing massive, it's just that basically, well, it's only me paying the bills, so what can I do? I'm not made of money, you know, things do catch up on me, so that's why the amounts that we're stuffing is actually so low. But before we get into all that, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. And as always folks, if this isn't your jam, feel free to unsubscribe and move on. I would never want you to be here and not enjoy it, or at least not enjoy the chats, or not enjoy something about my channel. If this isn't for you, you don't need to comment, you just need to remove yourself from the situation. That is all I ask. Okay, so guys, here we go again, another Cash Stuffing Sunday, and this time we are doing £100 again because that is all I can afford to put into it at the minute. I'm hoping maybe after Christmas I can, you know, progress to a higher amount. But I don't think I'm going to be hitting sinking funds today. I think I'm just going to keep it to the regular pink binder. Now, while I do put in 20 into my food, I'm not writing out anymore what I need into it because it kind of is a little bit self-explanatory. Oh gosh, that reminds me actually to pay childcare. Right, so even though I put 20 in, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be the only 20 that's getting put into that. Food usually does cost me a fair bit more. So yeah, childcare is only getting 20 as well because, well, I need to pay that one today. Council tax shall also be getting 20 because we need to keep on top of that one. Even though I have actually paid the whole bill, I just want to try and get on top of myself for next year as well. Actually, do you know what? I might put 10 into it. I don't want to be leaving myself too short. Yeah, I'll put a tenner in. Yeah, water, I'm going to put a tenner in there as well, just to keep on top of it. I have paid some of it, but I could do with paying more of it. I think the next bill is coming out now in December, so issues, darling, issues. 20 quid is going in there. I do need to clear that one, so we're going to put 30 in there. Gas and lecky is sorted. I do need to finish paying off this Argos bill before that gets on top of me. Music, we're going to be going back to music now at the end of this month. Jude had an accident and he hurt his shoulder, so yeah, he's out of music for a bit because he can't move his shoulder properly. So that is it, that's that one. No sinking funds this week because obviously the budget's a bit low, but that's fine. Now we're going to do some penny saving challenges because I actually found everything. So we've got 120, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. £1.31. Do I have it? I do, and it's in the pink. Down here in the pink, right at the bottom. Oops. Oh, and my pen is dead. Well, I'm not surprised. I haven't used it in a while. Right, so that's that one gone. 131. Don't forget to update your penny saving tracker if you are using the app. It is very handy. Now, my penny saving this year is just as good as it was last year. It was shite. I have pulled out of it a lot this year just because I needed the funds. But I am going to keep going nonetheless because I still want to find out at the end of this year how much did I actually save. So there's a couple of quid there. Like, it's not going to be anything massive. But I think maybe next year, if I can at all, what I'd like to do is actually to put this into an actual savings account. So if I do save it, well then it could be good to actually have it as a savings account. I swear some of you out there on the, you know, with the cash, on the cash saving journey, really do absolutely thrive and do fly with it. Yeah, maybe there's just too much going on for me at the minute to be able to focus 100% the way ye do. But I do admire your stamina and your strength in being able to continuously upload and continuously budget so frugalously, if that's a word. Yeah, so that's where I'm going to love yous and leave yous today. I'm going to do some makeup videos because I have done a hit pan and I've done the, you know, the hit pan stuff, so I just need to go through that. And yeah, that's it. Everything is pretty quiet. Do you like my new little display here, my pumpkins? I got this in the range. It was $12.99 reduced from $25. I couldn't leave it. I was like, this is beautiful. And it's got these little candle holder things here as well, so you can put 3 candles on it. But I just really like the pumpkins. They're so cute. Oh, they make a nice noise as well. Ooh, if you're into ASMR, that might have been nice. So guys, I'm gonna love yous and leave yous, and I'll see yous on the next video. Thanks a million for watching and staying tuned and staying with me on this budgeting journey, and I shall talk to you next week or during the week if you catch my shorts and stuff. So thanks a million. I'll talk to you really soon. Bye. Mwah.